I'm personal injury attorney Neil Shouse with Shouse Injury Law Group. If you've been in a car accident in Los Angeles, you'll need to obtain your traffic collision report from the LAPD. Here's what you need to know about getting your report and what it contains. To request your report, you have two options: online through the LAPD website or by mail. Online requests are typically processed faster, but reports involving arrests, fatalities, or minors under 18 must be requested by mail. You'll need to wait 45 days after the accident before making your request, and current processing times are approximately 2 months. The traffic collision report contains critical details about your accident, including contact and insurance information for all parties involved, witness statements, a diagram of the accident scene, and the responding officer's assessment of what happened. These reports are invaluable when filing an insurance claim or personal injury lawsuit. As attorneys, we regularly obtain these reports for our clients and use them to build strong cases. The report often contains key evidence about who was at fault and the circumstances surrounding the collision. If you're dealing with insurance companies after an accident, don't go it alone. Call us for a free consultation at 877-466-7750 to discuss your case. We will do everything we can to protect your rights and maximize your compensation.